SalesTax DataLINK Tax Software Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are in the description. SalesTax DataLINK is designed for businesses that need precise and efficient sales tax compliance. It offers real-time tax calculations, automated filing, and advanced reconciliation tools to minimize errors. Unlike many competitors, it provides full audit support and direct integration with major accounting software like QuickBooks and Sage. The software is particularly beneficial for mid-sized to large businesses dealing with multi-state tax complexities. A key advantage is its accuracy. SalesTax DataLINK verifies tax data against government records to reduce discrepancies. It also allows for custom rule configurations, making it adaptable to industry-specific tax scenarios. The user interface is straightforward, though not the most modern, but functionality outweighs aesthetics here. Setup is relatively quick, and customer support is responsive, with tax professionals available for assistance. Pricing is usage-based, which can be cost-effective for some, but expensive for high-volume businesses. The main downside is that it may be overkill for small businesses with simpler tax needs. However, for companies managing large sales tax obligations, its reliability and compliance accuracy make it a solid choice. If you want a tax solution that reduces manual work and risk of penalties, SalesTax DataLINK is worth considering. Check the links below for more details.